Besides this wig already being pre-plucked and, you know, fresh little middle, like I didn't have to create this part or anything, it came like that. I did use these two products in the video, the Got2b glue and the Got2b freeze spray. You can see that. I know you can find these products at a beauty supply store, but they're also like $8, $9, $10. I got these both at Walmart. I've had this for a long time, like over a year, and I just got this. Both of these products are under $5 at Walmart. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Royal, back with Beauty Blunts, back with another video. And first things first, I want to just say I'm sick as fuck. Like, that's why I've been missing. That's why I sound like a little man right now. And if you catch me like looking down or to the side, I'm looking in my mirror. But I'm back with another hair video. If you're not seeing by the title, I'm showing you guys how to apply your lace front wigs for beginners, step-by-step details. This wig that I'm featuring on my channel right now is from My First Wigs. I ordered this hair it's been over a year. I got it in September like 20th of 2017, and like the hair is still holding, my nigga. Like, the hair is still holding up good. This is the Valentine's Malaysian ombre bob lace front wig from My First Wigs, obviously. It is 14 inches, 100% density. That on the website, you couldn't choose the density. It automatically comes 100%, which is a little thin for me, but obviously like it looks nice, so I'm not complaining. This hair doesn't shed at all. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna say at all, but like, I don't think I've ever seen this hair shed. You can choose the hair texture on this website. You can choose the hair length, the hair color, your cap size, your wig cap color. I did pay $246 for this wig back when I bought it, obviously last year. I'm sure it's either around the same price or a little bit cheaper. My wig did come with a free wig kit, and inside that wig kit comes a wig stand, bobby pins, you get 2 clips, an elastic strap, nude caps, and it also comes with this cute little case to put all that stuff in. I keep my hair stuff in here. And it also comes with this My First Wig, basically like wig holder that I keep this wig in. Cap is a cap size 1, which is like 21.5 to 22 inches. My head is about 21.5 to 22 inches. My canvas head is 22 inches. If you want to see how I got my hair slayed and laid, just keep on watching. Oh, also, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So this is the wig. I know I look a little sketch right now, but that's only because I haven't worn it in like 3-4 months. But this is the wig, y'all. It came with this elastic strap, but for me to sew it in, not already sewed in. Even though they have the option for you to get you one of these sewed in. The wig does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, with adjustable straps, and then the 2 combs. I don't remember bleaching the knots on this closure when I got the wig, so I probably didn't even know how to do that when I got this wig. Get my Got2b glue. There is more than one method to putting on a lace front wig, with a stocking cap, without the stocking cap, with Got2b glue, without Got2b glue. So everything is just, you know, up to your preference or how you want yours. I'm going to be using Got2b glue with no stocking cap today. I do not have any stocking caps right now, so yeah, can't do it like that. So first things first, if you haven't like already washed your face, or you think you have like, or this is just like the middle of the day, make sure you get a alcohol swab, or like a alcohol, you know, in a cotton ball, and just go like this and take off the oils of your forehead. And then, excuse me if I'm looking to the side, I'm looking in my mirror. You just want to put a little bit right on the front of your hairline, like right in front. Some people do it on their baby hairs. I do a little bit on my baby hairs. I am bald, so I don't really care that much. Like, it's not gonna take out my hair, but if it did, it's not gonna take out nothing because I don't have any. Just apply a medium layer. I don't want it to be thin, but we want a nice hold. So first, going to do that. Get our blow dryer. Turn it. We want the cool settings. So when I turn it on, I'm gonna press it on cool. I'm going to use my Got2b Glue freeze spray. And be careful, this really runs like down the forehead. So I'm just going to do it like that with my hand. And y'all, this stuff really freezes, so make sure y'all get this. I was using it, like, it's not a absolute requirement, but this, like, compared to not having this, I would just get this. Like I said, I've applied it, my wigs without it, but just don't work like that. Put that on there nice and smooth. And with the cold setting, forgot to say, you want to make sure it's all like just about to be like, you like when you go like that, you want it to be tacky, not like still wet. Now that my glue is tacky, I'm going to go for my wig. I'm going to pull it on right there. And you just want to slightly put it on there, pushing it and pressing it down. Then you want to do the other side. You need to get a clip to clip the hair back. You can, and you just want to grab it and make sure it is sticking. So see, like this part, see how like this part didn't stick down, so I would just get my spray again, lift that up, go like this, cool blast. And just stick it right on there. And there you have it. My wig is stuck on my forehead, like secure. And that's basically that. Now my wig is on, nice and secure. Let me get my flat iron. Damn, that sucks for them. That actually really sucks. But you guys, when I saw this wig, I knew I had to have it. Like I said, I paid like $250 for it. And before that, I think this is still my most expensive wig. I've never paid $250 for no wig, no hair. And my shit still be bomb as fuck. Like, y'all, I'm not like flattering this to be super bone straight, because like I'm not going anywhere. I'm just flattering. Oops, forgot about that. Before my first wigs, I had never ordered a wig this expensive, or I wouldn't even say that necessarily this is expensive. It's just I have never spent $250 on bundles, let alone a wig. But when I saw this hair, like when I saw this wig, I had to have it, like from like the coloring, like the ombre, the brown. I had never had no hair like brown like this before. And yeah, I could have like ordered bundles and did it myself, but this wig was already made and it was already like perfect. I already wanted this. Had my heart set on it. Like, I had saved up $250 to order this wig. Like, y'all, like I said, I had to have it. And because it was obviously my first wig company, or because it was my first wigs, obviously, like, it came with things to make me applying this wig and just having the wig so much easier. So I would say everybody who's to my people that's never had a wig before, to order from me, but to order from my first wigs, because like you get like a whole kit from when you order the wig, and shit is smooth sailing. Like, it was easy. Like, came in like 3 to 5 days type shit. Like I said, it comes with everything like you need for your wig. Like, I'm just gonna go in with my foam wrap. My lips is so fucking dry. Like, I hate being sick. Like, this is not even fun. Just a little bit. Oh, well, technically just a little bit. Just a little bit. Get rid of them fly sways. And if you have some hairspray, which I don't. I mean, I have the free spray, but I'm scared to put it on this actual wig because it probably will stick. Yeah. So this is the wig, you guys. And if you want like a little, you know, just a little something, yeah, it could be like that. I mean, you could do both sides. I don't be liking to do both sides, but see, that always, I don't like both sides. Ooh, damn, y'all. They done ran out of gas. They is pushing their car. Oh, it got into a car accident. Y'all, I am so nosy.